Welcome to Programming Knowledge. Today I'm going to talk about analog input on Arduino. Okay, let's go. First, we have to know what is an analog and what can it do. Okay, the analog signal is a continuous signal. The analog signal graph is sine, cosine, or any up and down curve like this. And this graph is representation for the analog signal in the physically. And this is a representation for the digital signal. Okay, so but in the real, when we collect the analog signal, it isn't simple or smooth like this, but the signal always noise when we collect like this. Okay, this is the analog in the real life when we collect it. And the application of this video is you can turn LED on or off when you control the potentiometer, okay, or anything can transfer analog, okay. And the analog is quite noisy and it's very hard to save or process, so that is the reason why we have the digital signal. The digital signal only is high or low level like this. Therefore, the analog signal will be converted to the digital signal in order to easily process and saving. Okay, we already know what is the analog signal, and now we will know how to collect it from the peripheral devices by Arduino. On Arduino, we have 6 pins to receive the analog signal. That's it, from pin A0 to A5 right here on the left side of and the Arduino's analog system has 10 bits. It means it can be converted the analog signal to digital from 0 to 1023, corresponding to 0 to 5 voltage. Okay, it means when you input a voltage signal in this range from 0 to 5 voltage, the Arduino will convert it to a number from 0 to 1023. It is a decimal. Now we'll test the Arduino analog system, and before we do it, we have to calculate the analog value when we transfer input from 0 to 5 voltage to the Arduino. Okay, we will calculate it, and I will use the voltage divider to create a voltage signal. Here, this is the voltage divider. I have 2 resistors. The first is Z1 and the second is Z2. The Z1 is connected to V-in and the other one is connected to ground. And between of Z1 and Z2 is the V-out. When you connect like this, you can collect the V-out with the voltage you want if you change the value of 2 resistors. Okay, this is the formula to calculate the V-out. The V out is Z2 divide Z1 plus Z2, and all of them is multiplied with V in. Okay, and I assume that Z1 is 1000 ohm. Sorry, I forgot to put unit here. And the Z2 is 1000 ohm. The very 5 voltage. And when we apply this formula, we can get the V out is 2.5 voltage. Okay, next is the calculate analog resolution. The resolution is the 10 bits value we will get. Okay, here is the formula to calculate it. The ADC right here means the analog to digital convert. Okay, and digital output right here means the value we want to get. The digital output is 2 power n multiplied with analog input voltage. The analog input voltage is the V out in the reverse slide, and all of them is divided to reference voltage. The reference voltage of Arduino is 5 voltage. Okay, and the n is the number of bits in ADC converter. The n right here is 10 bits. And I have a script right here. The V out is 2.5 voltage. And the N is 10 bits. Reference voltage is 5 voltage. Summary the value like this. Okay, I will calculate it. I will put 2 power 10, then multiply with 2.5, and then divide to 5 is 512. Okay, that's it, 512. Okay, when we input the 2.5 voltage to the Arduino, we can get 512. We have a function to read analog value. We will use analogRead to read the value from the VIN, and the pin right here is the analog pins. Okay, this is a diagram. We have a 1000 ohm and 1000 ohm right here. I will connect 5 voltage to the above resistor and GND to the below resistor, and between them I will take the signal to the A0 pins. Okay, before connect, I will code it. To set up the analog pin, we don't have to set pinMode input like the previous slide. We just need analogRead pin. Here I will use pin A0. Okay, but if you want to bring the value to the serial monitor, we have to set up like this: serial.begin. This is the baud rate 9600, and then I have to bring this value to the serial by this function serial.print, and ln right here is it will bring the value to new line right here. Okay, and I will delay it 1 second. After 1 second, it will print the value once. Okay, now I will connect the circuit. I have a 2 resistor 1000 ohm right here. Okay, I will plug it right this. First, second like this. Okay, like the diagram. Okay, and the red wire I will use for 5 voltage. 5 voltage. And the black wire I will use for GND. GND. And the green wire I will use for the input. I will plug to the A0 pin. Okay, A0 pin. Now I will upload the code to Arduino and let's check. I will connect my Arduino to the laptop. Okay, now upload the code and open the serial monitor. Okay. Okay, you can see the value is 5. Is quite noisy, right? Sometimes it can be lower than the 512. Okay, it's approximate. Okay, I have another sample. I will change the below resistor to 10,000 ohm, and then I calculate to 4.54 voltage, and the value I can get is 931. Okay, you can try it yourself to check. Okay, so through this tool sample, you can apply it to control your LED. Okay, it means if your analog value is lower than 600, you will turn on LED, and if your analog value is higher than 900, you will turn on LED or turn off LED. You can control it like this. Okay, first I will review a little bit. This is 6 pins to read analog on Arduino Uno, and in this video I just use A0 pins to read analog signal. Okay, first is photosensitive. I have a diagram like this. We don't care about the potentiometer because it just affects to digital signal. Okay, I have VCC is connected to the 5 voltage, GND to GND, and the analog pins of devices is connected to A0 of Arduino. Okay, let's make the circuit. Okay, this is the photosensitive and also have 4 pins. Okay, now we'll connect. 5 voltage is red wire to a VCC. 5 voltage. Okay. Next is the A0 to analog. And the last one is GND. Okay, GND is green wire. Okay. So now I will write some code to control it when read analog signal from the photosensitive. Okay. Right here I have a project. First is serial.begin 9600 to open the serial monitor with power is 9600, and in the loop I have a serial.print. It means we'll print the value and read from pin A0 to the serial monitor. Okay, now we'll connect the Arduino to my laptop. Okay, first I will read the analog signal from the photosensitive first. Okay, upload. Okay, this is the value I read from the analog signal. So now if I turn off the LED, the value will be changed. Okay, let's see. And you see the value is increased more than 700. And now when I put the LED nearby the photosensitive, the value will decrease. Okay, by this condition, I will make an example to turn on LED if the value is more than 700. Okay. Okay, right here I have. I will use LED 13 is default LED to turn on, and else digital right low, but I have to set up the LED 13 to output. Okay, now if the analog signal from A0 is more than 700, the LED will be turned on, and if not, the LED will be turned off. Okay, I will check the value. Okay, as you see, the LED will be up because the value is lower than 700, but now we'll turn off the LED. You see it's blink because the value is sometimes lower than 700 and sometimes is more than 700. Okay, let's check with if 600. Here. Okay, LED is turned on, right? And now I will put the LED near the photosensitive. LED turn up, right? Okay.